Step 1. Put on safety glasses. Make sure to make all adjustments and bring the hold down. That is the most important step, to bring the hold down and turn the key. Then turn the key back again to make it hold. And now you have your perfect position to make your cut.
First step is to turn on the machine. Then make sure both of your hands are on either side of the wood and avoid making sharp turns. Make sure you cut slowly, because you wouldn't want your fingers to get cut.
Andre, you don't have your safety glasses on.
Voila!